Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can link your eBay on your Shopify account. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. Now if you are on your Shopify account, we can't really bind your eBay account through Shopify. So we need to use a third-party app. And that third-party app is named Zapier. So go ahead and search that in Google and then click the first link. And once you're here, you can either start with free email or you can use your Google account to sign in. So I'm just going to use my Google account for example. And here you can just choose whatever you prefer. So I'm just gonna select business owner, for example. And here you can, of course, select to whatever you prefer. And here we're gonna select Shopify and then eBay as well. And once you're done, just hit finish setup and it will take you to this page right here. Now, if you have other accounts, like for example, if you have Pinterest, you can also click this one. So Shopify plus Pinterest, and then it will create the connection between them. So since we're gonna use eBay, just go ahead and type eBay in here. And then here, just type Shopify. And in here, so when it happens, so for example, if you have new order on eBay, you will choose what action it will execute on your Shopify. So for example, if you have new order in eBay, I'm gonna create an order in Shopify. So let's try it. And here, you can of course customize this. And of course, you need to connect your eBay account here. And once you've done that, go ahead and click the second one and then connect your Shopify account right here. And once you're done, you can customize it. There's a bunch of settings in here that you can press, and also you can add additional connect if you want. So after you create an order in Shopify off, or after the connection is finished between these two, you can add another action here. And for example, we can add a path to a different website, or you can add a Google Sheet or Google Drive if you want. So it really depends on your preferences. And so for example, you're done creating your connections, you want to go ahead and click this turn on right here. And once you've done that, you just click this fix to publish here. And also you can test this out if you want. And that's how you create a connection between eBay and Shopify. I hope this one helps. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.